Hello, my name is Miss Kim and I work for the Fort Worth Public Library.
And my name is Frankie the dog and I work on the farm.
Yeah, he's a farm dog. We're here today with a new segment called A Minute of Nature with Miss Kim. We'd love for you to join us. We're going to explore all things nature that are just around my house.
Yeah, farms come in all sizes.
Yeah, this is just a silly backyard farm that we do in our spare time, but we have chickens and plants and a greenhouse. It's really fun.
Nature is really good for you to relax.
Yeah, I love to spend time with nature and I love to learn and share what I know.
Yeah, so come join us.
Yeah, come join us. Today we're going to be interviewing one of my favorite plants. It's Mrs. Aloe.
I love Mrs. Aloe.
Yeah, and we're also going to learn how to make slime using some of her leaves. It'll be fun.
Yeah, so we have an interview and a craft.
Yeah, come join us. Well, anyways, let's go ahead and sing a song. I wrote this song just for you. Take a minute and look at nature. Take a minute and check it out. Take a minute and look at nature. Check out this cool aloe plant. Great! I hope you enjoy it, and we're going to learn a lot about what aloe does for you and your family. We're here today with Mrs. Aloe and Frankie the farm dog.
Hello, Mrs. Aloe. How are you?
I'm doing fine. I am very happy to be here. That's so lovely, Mrs. Aloe. I'm happy that you're here too. How are you feeling today?
Yes, is there any way we can make you more comfortable?
I'm a little thirsty. Can you give me some water? Oh yes, Frankie's a great farm dog. He's going to help water the plant. But remember, Frankie, she's a succulent, so don't water her too much. Just a little.
Miss Kim, what does a succulent mean?
Oh, Frankie, that was a great question. A succulent is a special type of plant.
How is it special?
Well, do you see Mrs. Aloe? She has thick and fleshy leaves. That's where her water is stored.
Oh, where else does she store her water?
She stores her water in her roots. That's a great way for them to be more resilient to dryness.
Oh, I see. So we don't water her as much as other plants.
Yes, we're very lucky because Miss Aloe can talk. Yeah, I'm very smart. Yes, Miss Aloe is very smart. She tells us when she needs water. But if you have a plant that can't talk, which most plants can't, you would take your finger and touch the dirt inside the pot. Just go down like an inch. And if it's wet, then don't water her.
Oh, it's like you're communicating to the plants.
Yeah, that's a great way for you to learn how to farm and just take care of plants, is to know that they can communicate. All you need to do is use your senses, your sense of touch to see if the dirt is still wet, and your sense of sight. I see that her leaves are nice and green and they're firm. That means she has enough water. But if she's really thirsty, her leaves are gonna flop over, and then we need to really water her and take care of her.
Oh, I love taking care of plants.
I do too. It's a good way to use your senses and connect with nature.
Nature is great.
Yes, I agree, Frankie. Well, Mrs. Aloe, I loved having you here. Frankie, do you have any other questions for her?
Yeah, Miss Aloe, do you have any hobbies?
Yeah, my hobbies are to sit in the sun, and I also love to make slime. Oh, slime!
Yeah, you make slime? Like with glue and food dye and all that stuff?
Is that what you use? Do you have to go out to the store and make slime? No, I use my leaves, silly. I can show you. Oh, we're going to get to make slime with some of Miss Aloe's leaves.
I love slime. It's fun.
Yes. How do we make slime, Mrs. Aloe? Oh, all you're going to do is cut one of my leaves. And guess what? My slime will help moisturize your skin. Yay! Great. So what we're going to do is we're going to get some scissors and we're going to cut a leaf off and we're going to make slime. Come join me.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
So what do we do first? you're gonna take my leaves and you're going to make some slime. Okay, so we need to take off one of your leaves. Okay, we're gonna cut one right here. I'm gonna give Frankie some scissors. You ready to harvest the leaf, Frankie?
Yeah, I love harvesting. It's very fun.
And harvesting is very good. It helps me grow more. Yes, sometimes when you cut plants down, it can focus on making new growth. All right, let's go ahead and harvest a leaf. Okay, we have our scissors. Are you ready, Frankie?
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready, Miss Aloe?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're gonna open. You ready, Miss Aloe? 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Are you okay, Miss Aloe? Did that hurt?
No, it didn't hurt. I feel so much more lighter. Great. So we have our leaf. And what we're going to do is we're going to prepare this aloe leaf and turn it into fun slime.
Oh boy, I love slime.
Do you want to show us, Miss Aloe? Yeah, I do.
And this slime will help moisturize your skin. How much fun! Yay!
All right, come join us. Let's turn this leaf into slime.
All right, once you cut your aloe leaf, what you'll want to do is to let it soak in water for just a couple of hours. And I have some here. That helps help get rid of the yellow substance that oozes out of it. Now we have a nice clean aloe leaf. What I'm going to do is I have these spikes. They're not too pointy, they won't hurt me, but I'll go ahead and trim them off. So using my scissors, I'm going to trim those spikes. One side, two side. Kids, go ahead and ask a caregiver to help you out if you're struggling with that. Now I have a lovely piece of aloe leaf. And as you can see, it's pretty easy to get the skin off. Let's go ahead, just peel this up. Peel it up. And if you need help, you can always grab a spoon and that'll help get in between. Ready? And pull, 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 pull. And push, 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 push. Here we go. A nice piece of skin right there. And with this skin, you can even rub that around. It's really slimy. Woo, it's like slime. Okay, so we have one piece of skin off, and let's get the other side off. Again, grab that spoon, and we're going to get it under the meat. It's super slimy. Can you hear it? Ooh, slimy, sticky. This is great because it's all natural and completely free. I didn't have to run to the store. And there we go. I have a nice slimy piece of aloe meat. Woo. And using this, you can have fun with it by mashing it up between your fingers, just like real slime. This is slime, it's natural slime. Ooh, it's like stuck to my hands. Okay, let's mash it. Ooh, slimy. And the best part about this is that you can really get a good moisturizing effect with your skin. In fact, the other time I just took some of this and I rubbed it into my hair. And it helped my hair get a little bit of conditioning. So I hope you have fun. And let's thank Mrs. Aloe for sharing her leaves and making slime with us. Yay!
That was so much fun making that slime. Be sure to wash your hands after and notice if your skin gets a little bit more moisturized.
Yeah, I know my skin is feeling great.
Yeah, if you want to have more resources on nature and recipe books, go ahead and log on to fortworthlibrary.org. There you can get a library card.
And we also have digital resources for you to check out at home.
Yes, if you don't have one yet, if you don't have one yet and you are a resident of Fort Worth, go ahead and sign up for a digital library card using that same web address, fortworthlibrary.org.
You can check out so many things.
We had so much fun, and I hope to see you again soon. This is Miss Kim,
And this is Frankie.
signing off.